out here in the great unknown with a leaf umbrella, embracing nature.
Where the sea is dark and cold.
Check it out. It's looking like the Up waterfall. Wow. Whoa.
There'll be no tears.
Gorgeous. Kayla, what's the move?
Started coming down like 3.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's coming down like that, so I should actually probably get out of there.
I'm prepared.
Will she forget?
Hey guys, it's Manoa Falls.
Thousand flowers, where the trade winds blow.
Everyone is so done with us. They've all left, but we have this waterfall to ourselves.
Literally.
Look at that.
We saw flash
Oh
flood
my God.
warnings, but we don't really care because like when else are you gonna be down here?
I have like 20 mosquito bites.
Really, really muddy, but we're okay.
And the amazing thing is, no one's here because it's raining. Wait, let's take some selfies. Anisha's going for it. So what happened was the water was like normal, but then because of the rain, it like came down crashing, and so now we can't really get over there. But I mean, she's going pretty far. Maybe I should go a little further. It's kind of super cool over here. It's really misty over here though. We got mosquito bite. We got mosquito bite. Guys, some bamboo tree fell down during the storm. Now we have to go over it. I haven't fallen yet, and I trip a lot, but I have not tripped yet. We're making Richard turn the car so that we can take a picture in the Jeep. Thanks, Richard.
Trade winds blow.
Sunset picnic.
Be hard for
This one's not mine.
That's
that one's mine. Whoa.
I know someday I know.
There's so much going on right here.
And to me.
We're back at the Table Gardens, but 2 hours earlier this time. And we're gonna see if we can actually get in the main road now.
Till then my heart will be
Supposed to have some of the best acai bowls of all time.
Hi, ladies.
Thank you.
I want to like pick one up.
I don't know if they'll like that. It's so funny. Ooh. It's so pretty.
It's amazing. Like, I feel like it's gonna like poke my fucking leg out.
Shark's Cove. Like small fish. Alright guys, I'm really done because I forgot my underwater case. And the water's so clear and there's so many fish. But we'll have to look at it from above for now. My apologies. Yo. Whoa.
We had a really good time snorkeling.
There's so many fish.
We went to Shark's Cove. There were like a bunch of schools of fishes.
There's like these really long fish and like really colorful fish.
There was a lot of coral growing, like new coral. There were a bunch of sea urchins, so if you do go, you should probably wear some shoes.
And we saw some octopus.
Yeah. All in all, like a 10 out of 10 time. Probably my favorite thing we've done.
I'm gonna miss Foodland.
I know.
It's like the better version of
Literally. Look at Angela sitting by herself. If she wants shade. What's up, Brewster?
Oh, we're going to
A rainbow!
a hooky, hooky, a hooky love. Everybody loves the hooky love.
Richard, please explain what this is.
This is a flight of beers because I'm wildly thirsty tonight. The first one is a pineapple mana. The second one is a coconut hiwa. The third one I cannot pronounce correctly, so I'm not going to try. And the fourth one is a whale.
Okay.
And hopefully they're all good.
All right, let's try it and see which one you like best. Number one.
I don't know how I like that one. That one's sweet. That one's actually really, really sweet.
All right, yeah, Wendy's gonna try it.
It tastes like pineapple. It definitely tastes like it. It's sweet, right? It doesn't taste like
Are we
beer.
all gonna try it? I kind of want to try
It's a little bit flat. It's a little bit flat too. I'm not a big fan of that one.
I like sweet though. I like sweet.
Doesn't it
Who
kind of
wants
taste
to
like a
try?
cider? It tastes like a cider. So you
Not bad for a beer. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that's good.
I think me and Angela probably like this one the best.
Yeah, it's really light, right? This one's
Oh, chocolate. Oh, I already tried that one. It tastes like chocolate.
That's good. That's good. It's exactly
Let me
what
know
I
your thoughts.
It's chocolate. This was the wheat beer. I think this is the wheat beer.
Wheat beer?
Yeah, I think this is the wheat beer. Look how light it is. It looks like a Bud Light, essentially. That's a Bud Light. That's Bud Light. The last one, the Pollo, I don't remember anything about this one. Like, literally know nothing about this one. Well, that's like your everyday IPA.
nice.
That's like an all-day IPA.
Okay, so which one's your favorite?
Well, it's the first one.
The first one? I thought you didn't like that
Yeah, but
one.
the other ones were just beer. There's nothing special about the other ones. I like
I
things that are
thought this one
special.
tastes like chocolate though.
Yeah, but like chocolate, chocolate is like, it's a little bit heavy.
Which one's your favorite, Winnie? The first one. First one, really?
I told you, these two are
Where the Lala is the Coco and the Big Luau.
Sriracha aioli.
Oh my god.
Out into the sea. And all the come a swimming to me. Oh, we're going to a hooky low. A hooky low.
Like, we're gonna have to slide down.
Literally just scares me.
This is way steeper than I thought it was gonna be.
What a wonderful day.
George is the drone king. Okay, this is the last bit. It's super steep. Wait, there it is, there it is! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, it's so cute! I showed it.
Kuahivi.
Thank you.
Leakala. Kaulana hoi oe ku kila. Kuahivi nani oe haleakala. Kaulana hoi oe ku kila.
What is George doing? I want to float.
right, to Makawao. O Makawao ia ua kaulana e kaui e ka I o kala'au.
Whoa.
O Makawao ia ua kaulana e kaui e ka I o kala'au.
Good job, Richard.
Oh, it's George.
Good job, George.
Look at the science behind it.
I know. Snorkeling today again, but not in Sharks Cove. We're going to Hanauma Bay. And this time I'm definitely bringing my underwater phone case thing. So upset couldn't get it for Sharks Cove, but hopefully we also see a lot of fishies today. We're going in.
Really out here.
Get you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? Swim, swim.
Dorito singing.
Oh, I love to swim in
To Hawaiian moonlight,
See, I'm gonna get stuck now with that song. Now it's in my
shining
head.
over the sea. Take me to your island, where I'm longing to be.
Follow me. Whack. Pissed off.
Okay. You didn't say anything to us. You just went off swimming on your own.
Whack. I was like, follow me, guys. And then I went out there. I was like, I lost all the guys. It's like,
All right, Kayla, what was the coolest thing you saw?
I saw this really cool, like, purple rainbow looking fish
I think I
with
saw
this, like,
something
yellow fin. It was really fucking cool.
What about y'all?
I saw a brain-looking coral.
Oh, I saw that too.
Looking coral was so...
Oh, nice.
I saw you guys.
All the fish were in the deep end, and I got slapped by the waves a couple times.
I'd like to be.
We're getting Moroccan food that Anusha found.
Woohoo! I'm actually really excited because I haven't had Moroccan food before, but I think it's going to be very similar to stuff that I've eaten before. So the interior, you guys can't wait until you see it. Like, oof.
Holding hands all day through,
Wait, it's so comfy.
and at night the
Richard is struggling. He's a lowly. We're above you.
for this.
You're above you, that's what he said.
Oh man.
I feel like you're like our servants.
What did you just say?
I got camels too. I got camels. What do you got?
I got a waterfall.
Oh.
I'm taking this picture. This picture's better.
What is it? Oh, that's backwards.
That's upside down.
We're washing our hands.
Thank you.
Is it cold?
For a hot second.
chicken and fresh almonds and steak. Whoa. Whoa.
Nice.
I forgot it.
Amazing. Like,
I'd like to be at Hawaii
smell it. It's like orange blossom.
with you.
Oh, so I died for fresh baked biscotti.
It's so good.
on jalebi, baby.
Just we two.
Real sweet.
It's real sweet.